Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. We have here your dream home, a 5,000 square feet, 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, well-appointed family residence, situated on a 3/4 acre lot. It features a lush, well-maintained garden space, for true relaxation. It also features stunning city views, water heater, water storage and grid-tied solar system. It is conveniently located 10 minutes from Manor Park, with pharmacy, supermarket, gas station, shopping plaza, and golf course. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $950,000, or Jamaican $146.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.